na yetimi the shootout Jumadi naba ababe rametimi era mountain entra kosise no nine bebo a yebe pije mu na de akibia ababa beto aso etimi era manane ne entra na yenrema izanze ye transition the shootout a ye bɔ mɔdi ankomo a ye baba bedi no ye afisem no kwa ne didi nkomo kwan a ye befa so ye bebo na Ghana sport afa ne ntuma pa etimi edi efra aboafo bia daroma era dande nyine baba betram ye dwuma no etimi edi ma na 21st Kenix Semenka emfa Zebra Nabra be Ramo Masu Izanze Obo Siatic Dimpe no 21st Kenek na no omo atwe mutini na so omo nko a ena wo Ghana omabo modin Asiatica ya no yasa ama omabo mudin abo mo samrane ase abo mabaso no nyina se niema bi omo ye biaro bibi bia dedamu kama eboa man hwehwe no koyi soro etimi edi emo na munkomo no ya de a edi ye papa na se ni sietie yesi ne Asiatica no ne se watransia ama to asinti no etwetwon atwetwa medu bebi a onante no aye den kakra ni nyina no owuram ewo maso ebere na yetimi aboa na hyehyɛ na koyie pa etimi ede ama na wanye entu ana ma debi no wan we ya na aba bebubu titu ye maame nom ne ye papa mo aya amukodwa mo transe eche no se washa se enye se nsusu so na bra 21st kene komaso ye ne hwe na yetimi emwa ya wa hodo na ena mo di nwudwuma ebi ti say hypertension ebi ti say stroke ena afi diabetes no ni nyina mo ye hwe na ya boa na hyehyɛ na koyie so etimi ediama sapono enwie pe no from utiso eba ba be ramo enso e wo na ase no ni nyina mo ye bre na ya boa na yetimi asoso ano ama hyehyɛ na koyie so etimi ediama na de mamu nkomo no esan ne den se omo laboratory anu ko a yedosoro so an bebi a ye ne hye ya so ano ya mawodu a ebeboa mo ejia na so na scan services no omo eye Friday bi ama cancer after work no to fa ho na ye ma o massage ano edi ye papa na ye de machine treatment no aka ho na abobowa dudu fia otowa na form na hyehyɛ no akoyera bro more than 15 branches Ghana baby a omo ye adwuma kuma se ahwe overseas junction no be na for radio bo ase council quarters call junction be yom akra do me market no yom sunya ne nkraza na techi man faramba ina Enkobobia eni omo endi 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 ahyehyɛ no enkoye kama pa entimi emfama drinks no eyemienu eno na nkofo boboboba na omo edi ho dance na ne okodwama so atum zampa kofo eguso omo etoye papa ni nyina se esmasi no eno na ebo modin de agigigi ni abako mixer 5G habamani nduabani abomode etimede aye onye bi na agba taste no ade a shonko kafe bi anima ebesa mo ahode na wagyan na so na dwumade bi a wudi bia niam adeda yi soro etimi ede ama na hyehyɛ no akoyie kama pere ama Ghana o madwena da ebenya no grapes no ebomode a ye yamu niam no na jeze etimi ema ne ye dwuma ene ekɔ kama pa na jinsen no eyi ntini meboa ema ye gyen na so na green tea no ena ne hwade a nyina mu na boa ma hyehyɛ no koyie soro etimi edemana munkomo no edenti no enkofo guso omoto omoana bomode edi miso fruit drinks no ababa be ramunti ne za ye na ababa dinto na aba de dodo na ababa be hiem no ko na kokojibi ne amwana ne mandeda ye so emfama we chichi afanamba na to nkra ne ebeboa na onsa etimi aka 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 niambwa ngana mandeda die fa mama ni Daniel our 21st connect mu amwa hwa overseas no munjibi ono bi kan supermarket orwani chema wo maso ya honso no benya bi na mama Esther orwani atemo outcome Royal Ventures no na jezene no omonso abo modern Awatra Baptist University buakwa onse come PNC Ventures no ewa no manji taxi station also Charity Hospital Junction no obenya bi na Sachi Enterprise no orwani chema asafo abinchia also VIP car park no ye boana ne ma deda yi soro etimiere ama na onsa ka bia man hyehyɛ no akoyie kama pa so etimiere ama nti oma daroma ye baba betramu bo modern etimi eyi adwuma no etimi ede ma man hyehyɛ no koyie pa etimiere ma na mami abe zemenka ncho zebra na bra be ramu ewo na so ye na adwuma mame ne bo no ano eden dodo ni na ne se osi na wo ye bema na omema sem no ya de aba fom ya ya dokro ti ama okosi na anima sisi ana oda ya ma me be na watimi aso ano de ama wade ni so a obese ye kese pa na je ze kofo hu omuzi wei akwai wo be ma mu ani nyina obe na wadi di unjume da ma na nso ye nyini en prostate ne ye kese sa no 121 na man kwankwa ebebi a ebedu bebi na ojonso a na obre ne ma nhyara nko ye entimi emfa manye no so nko ebedu bebi no ya na nhyehyɛ na edin kakra etimi era ma na nyina mo no ma me ne bɔ mɔde ɛhwɛ etimi so a no low spend count yi erefi ona afa nami ayɛ no na bɔ mɔde etu ase baby girls no mama baby ncheche enye de enya akono eba ne sa na chesa asundwe etimi abafie twa ya ba ko a okɔ na so yɛ ɔbɔ ne gala we simple kra na boa mo igya na so na sickle cell onsensem no akwada na yɛsi onyindu baby obefiri mu no enye mamia bia ni so nyame nam no so ɔboa man kwada no enyo ɔmayare sa yie papa edi romuni amoa na hyehyɛ no kɔ yie pa emfama sickle cell test no yɛ scan test no oyɛ tano so apatrapa new site or obana apatrapa janshi 0243 345392 0243 345392 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 ni ambwa nyana mande da di soro etimi afama mresem no ye baba no mo makane aba na aba bedi omo nkomo na bibia de da yeso etimi edi ama ona ni akọ esa ne hyase e wo Sudan patam ko James akwesi apia enje na no de a ye bo mo de etimi appointing zomra emma mejamu embebo adwuma na mboa na ne mande da ye kama pa etimi afama Sudan man no emu nkomo no konyo no nko an koye ene ne Ignatius Osefosu ekokokora mo enyo no nko ene no ye former goalkeeper friend Lion na jezene no fata udauda so kan bi okọ ekokora na mu nkomo no ere bizanze no kokodu ya no target o mo de ama ne sen se no obo de nkomo ni jai
the team try to get me unqualified World Cup man as African captains. She decided to things our emotions. So the unfortunate thing is our more so that Muli no yadi our moko into across the place ma tambo Olympic team in Saudi Arabia. Difficult about saying that most of them in ball. It's a matter of between you or more style play and psychological, a little bit more professional. From there, I think I'm okay to play.
Ati anu ye command wa pomodere atu ya jezampa kon ne ade ni ti omo league no enya ade se etimi ekoso na nso ni nyina mo no wo so mo ebo mode hihia na omo ye ya ti Olympic team no oni omo remo Saudi ane ono obo abo mo na mo no omo kan e de a chene so omo enform mo qualify for AFCON Africa World Cup na possible a onform mo enremo no mo nko entimi enkokobo adwuma na mbo ama bibia entimi endeda di na na yoru ani chemo human rights court na omo ebo mode etimi ekwa trans ni na enizo uncle George fiye mu nkomo eba ba betodwa na ochese kwen fa so disqualify no somra emra megia the Ghana Football Association election no na nkada bi da bi ento abanyini city breakers no na ogiri se niema entimi ankoyi na kwen omofa so disqualify no enye kwen be fa so a ebetimi abonti oso afini na de omo kokokuru mo court yese ne odo wani chemo human right court na omo ekwa trase edidi di nkomo akra enkomodidie no ene niema na na ewura mu no na nke ye twense the Ghana Football Association for beba ababe ram na nu ye bi wo ho a omo abomoden atoto o ma no na omo eya no na nso ro mamba na mama me ram ti esi case no ya twede kwa animu a on the 14th November ene be san frasem no human right court on afi George Fee against the Ghana Football Association no ba kumieru bi ram no etimi aboa man toto na koyi pa etimi edi amom na ye to aso adidi nkomo no the Bird Power Ghana Premier League no entoto end da dia matches ne be to aso over the weekend na pe champion for etimi aye no day 7 no say ne sietie nyambo Friday before akwata no ebeba Accra Lions and afi Saturday bibia ni Go Stars and half of and ebeba ni na afi so no niema de dia na ntoto ye no etimi ekua Saturday krona no woro ani chema Great Olympics omo ejoma na so Nations FC edi aboni na Sunday Asante Kotoko Obo Bechem United Legon City so no ebo Dreams FC na Brekum Chelsea ebebo Nsu Atreman FC Mediama FC ebo FC Samates na Pando Heart of Lions so be John Manaso no mo ene Karela United bubuko no e di aboni na fi Sunday match e be wie no e Real Tamale United mo e John Manaso ne Diana Football Club e di aboni na aboa na mantutu na ko yipa etimi e di amomo na munkomo no ye to aso di amre urwa ni chemo Samate so maso e na all the players ne kona swim no omo kokko swim kakra o ni part of training na omo e ye na aboa na ne ma dadi era amomo na game a Edom enim no omo ejion manaso na omo etimi abo na nhihye na ko yisoro etimi edi amo omo ntimu nkomo no o joining Awuzampa FC Samates players no na abo modian nei omo edwa ya na abo ama nhihye no soro akoyi kama pa so etimi edi amo omo ntisa pepe edisi eti omo club house na ni yisema ba ni nyina nze Baba Musa Hamadu abo modin etimi aba huze omo na atofo game no omo bo wie na mandu kokunye prebia na nhihye ne de dinkra na ntimi emfa mana na no edin ye papa aboama bibia so no akoyi soro etimi edi amomo munkomo yedi ewram na ntoto no soro etimi adadadi ntine amando no ye tosko ye de team no asia banka krakra boama ne makoyi peda mananza this time no ya no mu players ni shia didi omo nkomo na ne Baba Musa Hamadu no ne na nei no oyen centroni no na play o interview no eye Seidu Dauda Yusuf na amushia ni enti omo nkomo ne kakra
match. Now training with us, but all of a sudden we didn't hear from you. We the players didn't hear from you again. Can you explain to us what exactly happened? Because most of us doesn't know what's going on with you right now. Can you explain?
Yeah, I was not feeling well, and I don't know exactly what is wrong with me. So I rushed out to hospital and go for checkup. So as they finished with the checkup and everything, the doctor said I was not. There's no problem in my blood. There's no any infection in my blood. So he said I'm okay. He said then I have to go and rest for a while. So that was the reason why I was not part of the.
Okay, Seidu, coming to you, we have played for about 6 matches now, and how many matches have you played so far?
I have played 4 matches.
I want you to explain to your fans and FC Samates fans, how do you see yourself and how do you rate your performance this season?
This season, as we all know, this season I haven't started well. Things are not going well for me. So I'm praying that as I'm back now, I'm going to change things and I'm going to make my fans proud and very, very so happy.
Oye command na jeze abomodi rama Baba Musa Hamidu na jeze Amandu no na ne wabomodi achi ono ani teammate friend Seidu Dauda Yusuf de na si wo edidi command di ko bisa no ze mritiani omo nsheda ehu no adende na ekoso na omo players no mahwe na na ochezo na ontiapo okoko rama hospital ye ne test no omo ye na ne moja no krogen hwen ha no no so mra e ma meje na ho me kakra na oje na ho me na fi na hode aba wasen aba na osa chechi mu ze this season no on starting no say 4 matches awabono de done ni no kakrakra o hode ne ba obeba no waba be gem no abo ama bibia akoyi kama pa so etimi ede amomo na yeramusa no yehwe big game ani eguso a ekoso orwa ni chemu akun parka Mediama Sporting Club Limited hosti Nations FC na join na hwe mo map ne kakra onze teams na baba be wura mu ne niama na mo ye ne sere hyehye no na isi ekono Awuzampa game no anibre wo mie papa Mediama bubuku ni we so mbe mo tutu na list the free maximum point no omonsa etimi aka and afi Nations FC so no omonso pushi se kwemi aso no niama be de yie pa etimi edi amomo na omojo omo na so na ejuma na omobo no entutu na da yie so no etimi edi amomo nti game no ye ni die chi niama be koso bia no ebo modena ewuram na aboa na hyehye no so no etimi ada yie kama so etimi era ma Great Olympics confirm se nyambo a ochena odo ni chemo Magdan Parker 3 p.m. prepare omonso jomo na so na omone kwa Bibrim United FC etimi edi abweni eyansisi omonso no ebo mode etimi aye na over the weekend no Bird Power Ghana Premier League no game omo ejina kono a omo be Tia Nations FC no aboama hyehye na koyi pa etimi edi amom ntie no so no enkomo kakra omonso di aba ababa bedan ya ni nyina mu no yede eno nso ewramu so no etimi ede ama na yefie no etimi akọ yenim no yenwe na yemmo modern na niam deda ye pa etimi emfama na yenwuram na hyehyɛ no so no enko kama pa na munkomo no ese na esi etie yebaba na yababa beto aso na mo aseda ne nko emfama boafo adanda nyina omo ekra yase e baba be jamu ye djuma no etimi edema obo heba a medical research center maka ye ne efa na koma no sensem na ya na eno na pompi moja no manura mu bibia nti akoma ya ye ho sensem de otadidi agra wa hwe ya home ne sisi so a na je so koda dada e ba ne sa ya na e ha dwen nti also ro mo bo heba a medical research center na ye hwe ni timi treatu na oja na so na nema ekoye pe timi edi amount omo no e ba ne cardiovascular diseases na je so mo djomo na so mo eye djuma po mo expect e omu na omo ze chance ye ba susuan so ni bia unya ne nini obozo wa uti no e pa wo to so se njai na afo bozo wa akoma no e bomu kese pa dize ye de ba se fo don abo akoma no na kran na didi sa avezu bozo azimu jabro so de no wajimu na wa na asa nanse ahyase echichecho na bozo wa bre na afo wa wote se obo no so hyehyo na wa na asa wanisu no e ya de echi no na wakoma no so no e ho hyehyesu yie pa obozo okon so na otetete ya obi me pacho e ya akoma no na ahyase a ene eyi ne ho a e kwakọ fire ye bi wa hwentu ana mo aso be hye bi abako a ye reni aboa ne obo heba a medical research center mo ne be na ya ma wetimi egian na so afezo no omo ze nye no nko ase na hepatitis ne dunya diabetes no se opeba unya bi nam yaye e na adokro typhoid no e na o kidney mu hawa e ne ulcer ne de ka kan nyina no ne nyina ya adwuma keto o maso ye no omo bo modern etimi ye eboa mane makoye panti ado ato di rama adumanu last stop no opsi sof mame kenke sela no omo gbo adwuma for mo number no na ne mpinfo ntimi enni nkomo 0257 472 506 0257 472 506 na 0249 761 508 0249 761 508 ene no omobo adwuma from Jordan ekokosi memenda na no pano no so abo eriko rama nwumre no numa abo eri apai mu no era omopon nti no mepacho de bia no ye 7 o'clock am to 5:30 pm na omo etimi apon na abo na hyehyɛ no akoyie pretimi edi ama Sompa sika promotion no egusu a ekoso a ano edin papa otieti nkomonim ne sere nema isieti a simple crowd fa code na fato na yem program so no ye transia ye bomode eche sika na artista 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash da mun komo no de ma na ye denie ya ma kwan se wunya twanko a obedi era Sompa sika ye giedwa ni nyina ne ze so wo MTN mu ma wudam dadada wenye dumfie dum wotwe dam dadada enele mpemfo so agye area tuma dwumadie na ye di no ya de omohwe na eboa man hyehyɛ no koyie pa etimi ede emana mun komo no e ya de a ede ba ko ye 5 Ghana cedi o wa kwanya so obomode no watwa dodo bia na atwa dodo ma e na abedi na hyehyɛ na koyie pa da manti da bia da ze ye transe nyewo sports dwumadie kese no so on full time no hu se ma transe a ma sign in a pe na wabomode na nso no wetimi edi atutum na aboa na hyehyɛ na koyie pa etimi era mantie ne Sompa sika promotion era na edi mu nkomo no ewuram na aboa na hyehyɛ na da yi nso no etimi era mantu nya twanko a obedi sa prepe na mu nkomo no esi etie wo hono ma eboa ma na ma da die era ma Dr. Dawood Eba Hospital Limited Dr. Dawood Semenka emfancho zo di nu papa era bedwa ma so a ene nkofo guso omobobo bobia omojo ma ya isanti enke chimfa ma ramu na nso ya isana senete ya wo Dawood Eba mixture ene ma ye fever na edunya ze uyobi a wonum ato untimi ndidi ewa no wa ye mra unya Dawood Eba mixture ni bi na aboba ebeboa be gian na so na ne makoyie pa etimi era momo a enso na di Dawood 360 capsules no ababa be ramo na ejuma omo bo no ya de ano edini na ene se sasabro wo so ewa na sisi yo ya ewa na se honam no otise mu ni twetwe yie pa unya Dawood 360 capsules a ebe na abomode na etimi aso no etimi edi amanya no nko omo anso na di Dawood ointment no ababa be ramo enti na otutu wo so sasabro ewa ati so ntinu mu twetwe pa no aposo eyo ya odedi yanso obetibi na wabo de etimi edi afa ho ebe na Isa pace leader if you now so we jaw now so nanema akoye petimi ediama obo nyema ntimi enumbi yana fo ya akwada unnim rufie dumiensa na nidu a onso no untimi enumbi na hye no so do ani echiemu ewo herbal shop pharmacy sana sepono over the counters ayeboa na wenya ndupa ni bi nanema akoye pa etimi era ma se ope dodo na etimi etua ene Dawood Herbal Hospital pay for any nkomo ama 0241 24401 241 24401 na 0201 681 717 0201 681 717 odo ko na Dawood nupa no na ne kan ye odin oro so pesehwi eduro no ni nyina ze eduro no efisehwi mpetemo na ababa be na dudo ni ade a ya bomode etimi ade agum no entu bo awuzampa esaya ye pa na wegia na so na ne makoyi pa etimi ade ama na ntoto ye no enso ade da de ewram okrobia kuma sia santi koroko ne orwani chema Ashanti regional na Jezepin pa NCC no bomode anazipo no RCC no odoma no a oye ejuma pa ne dini efe ne Alexander Manu na de dikan no we din komo akra osi ya football ya ne ye bre any referee dream ne keta hye ne ade ni nyina no e ya nas na enkomo di ye no tie no bomode etimi adijai.
The war of Ghana football. Why do you say that? And the war of Ghana football is Anas. We saw videos of him being shown. I mean, sat down here, no. Look, bro, me no just see. Number 50 million amount, 5,000 Ghana cedis amount. Me say, we are going to Tarabobi. What I say, hey, because men can't directly, won't you go? For sure, you won't win. It's up to a correct investigation. You don't tell somebody what money. And now, I don't know what to I Professor Utumpone Panatino, one on the Emma Ekutako. Upon she, we are senseless man, one good kind of football. Alas, the good kind of football. Mr. Rafi, Papa for the Honma. In fact, he caught them unawares. He caught them unawares. Mr. Ghana Rafis, no, I have born on my bone, yes, I have born on my bone. Minimum the kind of a trainer acquired to qualify by referee. I am much, I'm saying, Makuma Buakasa, Emija, much name.
Atia no ye command prepare fene Alexander Manu RCC chair e bomode de to ya Anas and an football no niam bi e koso ne ade ade nyina wa bomode etimi e after no and ezo no pimpa o wa ha na wanim na supporters yi we time we no ato me say ade no aha dwen kakra na de na wo kere fa wo se ne so bomode de to ya.
Sorry, referee, you are team pa. No amount of protest by supporters and a bet you referee Naguni. Intermediate and Kede and I be any other team. They aren't too come a penisa, but said Makuma will be Akuma and Tisa. Men, I'm saying, I see you. Men, I'm saying, ya, and the same name. Say ya. Officer, some say ya. Oh, yes, I'm condemning them. I'm just men, say, I see officials or more negligence and my BBC a day. I see ya. But supporters know that try this stage. Mr. Bibia said next time BBC is here, young comport to your or young protest in a professional manner. They say the entry.
Would you say appointed referee now, nations coach, Mengo, Castle, be young, Kensa Refino, and my refino, Babago, Pamanos, yes, will be my nations.
Remember that I will say a born or born referee because I will not say anything that means evidence to it. I wouldn't say anything that means evidence. But I said, China, and I have me. I see that make me referee born or my born. All the foreign officials, I'm not born. I'm not born. Look. They were Ghana here. A bit more match with Jincha. Referee for Dimas, no Jincha. Then Adriana, we are shaking hands with the referees. Why are they dodging? From the distance? Even police from almost all the police from every distance. We are Papa, when in Betty. We are Papa, when in Betty. Me supporters no. Me and Jacob to go team Muda. And one idea was as I take to back up Ghana. The best Biano, your team no. They see an idea. Mr. Sema, Finoko, Bian to ensure na BBM.
Atia no ye koma na cha after the game pay pa na bomode didi atia no ye Ashanti regional chair koroko supporters no na Alex Manu abomode didi ne nkoma bwa manema dadi pa Dr. Prosper na te ogu ene coach etimi ediama krobia komase Ashanti kro no pimpa no era nkomodidi ma na na ebisa se na se ne second half na yehu game ne yekwede ba second half ho dia ya boys ne de be obo no ya na no edi na de mpa era mana kwa wiisa se na obomode edi nkomo no
that is capable of maintaining a tempo, especially at the second half, to turn things around. And our training regimen have been scheduled in such a way that we always train at a very high intensity. Even though the intensity of training will be different from that of the game, we always encourage them that they need to be more aggressive, they need to be more determined, they need to be more confident, and then they need to be more committed on the field, especially in the second half, because that's a trademark of Kotoko. Until the game is over, it's not over. So as a young chap growing up, I saw the spirit in Kotoko, and when I came back, I ensured that I lived by it, and I've been able to get it into their mind's eye to be able to live up to that spirit, because it was created several years ago when this team was established.
Tiano ye command you abom de area to ya jazampa or team no home and nam ni city na jaze yinwie krakra omonso ntimi nchi o ma nti second half ijmano ene ne man ko no nyino zampa kuma pembe bampa ti omokwe de ba training no ye ne mo reram no eno na ye da na di eboa mane ma da ye pa ere mo after no Sunday di nkomo be 6 matches ya bo points o munya and afi already mu se ne ma de dia points no dodo ahe na first round obo mo de o sabeka eno so see no obo mo de tuja.
As far as points accumulation is concerned, myself and the players, we are all not happy, because if you look at it, it means that we've given half of the points away, which shouldn't have been. If you look at the games we have played and the creativity we've shown in front of goal, we shouldn't be having 9 points as at now. But then, as I said earlier on, it's a learning curve. Looking at the remaining matches left for the first round, I think we need to ensure that we win all these games and make sure that at the end of the first round we should be at the top there. Kotoko is known to be the best, and we must always prove that we are the best, and this comes with a lot of determination, a lot of commitment, a lot of self-belief, a lot of aggression, from the blast of the whistle to the end. So
Tiano ye come about the area to ya jazampa or points no 6 matches ya bon your win 9 no so ma bon de ere fight me ache but omerena omo ayen tutiri na bibia akoye pa de amomo na matches na aka wo first round no omo akonkode mpa ewie no na cheso omo na da kan ebo ama na mada ye so etimi ere mo ntiere Dr. Prosperity ogum ne nkoma obomo de etimi edi eja ye no na ayere sa ne ewura mu ne hwe nyambo Sunday omo ne Bichim United de ko akwakobo ani gate no sensem no eniska konfuatwa edi akwa no ya bomode etimi ere ababa berama ti say na esietie popular stand 20 Ghana, center line 30 Ghana, VIP wins here 40 Ghana, VIP me here 70 Ghana cedis eti take it no ye beton wo gate said na no aye didi on komo no this RM is e ticket no ne ade ne be kwa akoda kakra na ticket ni ade ukita usika udru gate na wa bomode na watwa ewram na aboa na bibi adeda ye pa etimi edi amount yes apepe ene mu nkomo na baba be ya etimi amount mi sanse su bi ma popular stand 20 Ghana, center line 30 Ghana, VIP wins here 40 Ghana, and afi so no oruweni echima na cheze bibi adana kwama VIP main no enso ye 70 Ghana ntisa apepe ene siete almost 39 minutes ewo Akun Park media man she bi Nations FC entimi she bi tiza game no so no ye ni die chia de kumbia no ye de bewuramu etimi era ma ya hwefo ene ye ne tiefo agomia ye mra memzen komo no TV ko James Aguzi apia se Sudan ejuma na ye fa no target omo de amane so hwe so de omo ebe qualify ko World Cup na AFCON and afi so no course isi ani mbo league no ntino amana as a players na wo ho na ho den ne mbo competitive game na ye ya but omabo mo adwa Saudi Arabia in also Olympic team no and 24-3-4 no dodo na ene oni omo train no rest enema ebe de dadie team ya mana afi nkomo na o team ne chi ni se de neme city no nti yewramu
yes abudi abi my enche tifo na wie Sompa Sports. I think Sudan try our best to put their national team into shape. So definitely, if you have a coach like Kwesi Appiah who has built teams before, Sebi Yakasi and Shishi team, Kwesi Appiah unim team Shisha but in as much as unim team Shisha, and sometimes Abu Dhabi uhiya say ubenya a competitive environment or a pool of players they are very competitive enough, a bit more picky enough from it. And me sure say their big club Al Hilal was in the way, one way or the other, finding ways and means Mombit step up any results be in the long run. I'm but to qualify them for the AFCON is going to be a very big tax for them. Abu, in this particular instance, what check here? Omo make 3 appearances in AFCON. The first one was in 2011, and Oshe the Beno Krampo African Nations Championship.
Sudan there, we are bigger,
because Sudan entered the first AFCON in 1957.
We are bigger.
Yes, and about 9 times, and they were champions in 1970. African Nations Championship, no, 3 times. Our first one was in 2011, and African Nations Championship, I only a Chan. Chan. And Abu, you to me pass in this instance. So better so kwesi apia de push forward na. Omanya akonya akwaku remusa. What happened there? Abu, be a route in Namnia that I think say it will be a record-breaking ground for kwesi apia if he should be the technical director of Sudan or qualify for the World Cup. And me sure San has had an credit as Mjubeba Krumo.
So team they almost qualify.
Oh yes. Football has done a lot of things.
Yes, and they are no crepa. And a big.
It will shock you that the day as Sudan be qualify for World Cup, no. When you were monking in Ababe Kabuma Bebako, it will shock you. And these are times we pray for.
Sompa Sports
and Famaomo, Nanyoma Nkoyi and Famomo. We wish Kosiapia all the best in this instance. And Yoma Bitimakoi. Because Sudan and Atrimadria Besias and Fufos. But this is a commodity Vina. Imor Ibrahim Kotoko Imor Ibrahim Abu. From what we know, Imor Ibrahim, there have not been any serious conversations. No.
On a near Titin Komobi Wichiza.
Aye.
But Bibi Bianco. No, you feel.
Aye. And I'm almost we the day you to Kotoko no Munyai. On say don't raise the expectations of the supporters. Oh no. But definitely you know Kumasi as a
supporter. Yes. They free agent.
Because on say your Kotoko supporters be on my boss. Your Tianum no Judy. On say 2 minutes be anakwaba. Oh, minya mateti say they kono krebe Abu, we are getting those scores. What did they mention? I say ye nyinya sa course no. Me menya be twice kwa boss be fra. Aja mateti say the da you na Kotoko mateti Abu. Entisa. There's not been any communication between the Kotoko management and the Dayu. And Imuru so than Chenkra. Imu Ankasa, he has an issue to solve with the club Al Hilal and Okromunian Dimwi. And Omunya can once a month and and he said no so Nenuma by Kakra. Per level no Kukudru and any
they be over consider Mona. I forward team Tibiana. I will consider I was also there.
So radio station by Siano so half of near Sompa to move consider.
Every former station I meet me consider.
Oh that.
So omoni dini here kwadia. Only it ma consider ko.
Me ra hope come on be ban say na born bra ko echi. We dey ko ni.
There are also that former station they be
and former station business they can for former station too. We are shareholder of the station. We are shareholder.
Oze is here look at.
We are shareholder.
Me I know.
We are shareholder.
Oze
who check your mo.
Oze even in your crampo okruma say. Oze ni nua no team bi ba.
Yes.
But in your crampo let me say opa kwa ko jiske bu okata. I'm not talking about the day. What I say Christopher Nete. Odi dim ko bi okata side on. Me say by January or you say Christopher Nete free kruma say akoma ne nyawa. So no so akopie mo okata because obi ahia ska. Bema. Maybe you be a general, be a here.
About 1 year they are calling him. I grow no woman here, Kaiwu. We man can I more old this time body decasm. Only I grow the movie.
No, you see, only he laugh. What's so I say he laugh on the crowd, tries to drag him to court. That issue, Kromunian can be. Yeah. Oh, it's your more try say they will have to settle 1 or 2 things. Be. Or no, David Abagna there, and he was consistently playing. It's almost 3 months better. So I say, you're tough for this amount for this club. Near show D says, hey, Yabu. And your bad debt to be an Jamanico. Or when you're bread, you'll keep it. Then I'll move on to an opa case and Ankambabe Kebika Crown Mediama. First of all, Mediama will need this win in as much just to stabilize or more form any. On bet accumulate some points on the league. On say Baka said there is a notion say Obo Ghana Premier League ni bina Abo Africa results in time tally. But you need consistency, especially wako tasty Africa for the first time. And mediama ne caliber and then the value more peja. Omako US aba or Rome into CAF Champions League group stage. So your value no a more peja. And Chroma saying you say you need slot be brave. If you want to play in the CAF competition, either you win the FA Cup or you win the league. And the Champions League near pedigree beer, you set yourself there, you need to maintain yourself there. See, I require almost fast football qualifiers in the crowd. They've shown us say a more thing there, but we said anything. So to maintain that particular level, you need to be winning league matches too and making sure. So season never query, you know. Now that baby, ubetima senya kwenya kobo the CAF Champions League.
I'm about to have to say almost stretchy mukakrano. Several now groups in the YouTube. Ne A and B.
Ne A and B.
Let's say here with us ama abuwe afo ni biya gwa kakra.
Oh yes.
Is it amamu ago kakra?
Yes.
A bit pijaton yeah.
And expansive. So while we are on the younger mo for instance, they've always been Confederation Cup. But because of Nancy Modibo Kakrebi and also Amamu and yes anka younger mo say nyomo.
Na the play we no yeah football ni teams no this storm betimi akwa.
Oh yes.
At least money zone there.
Consistency.
That is the key word I was about to say.
You lose player, you can maintain and retain your players and keep on performing at that.
Sompa Sports.
Didn't you kobo bia your complaints about bia na say obi koba this year onko biem.
Yeah.
It will be the what oka. And I better cry when you say near fast you know. A bass can now brego. And easy. But oko consistently. One, you are not only going to get money from the tournament, any tournament organizers, but people will know that the pedigree you are. You can even start getting international sponsorships. Flight airline be crabbe to mark me pay Jesse name. Baby I'm to kwa ko bia no. Sa Jesse no. O de na ni mo ko bo game na ye be fly mo do my day.
Ako.
Atemoka so. Hotel bi so bet mark say oh. And then baby am baby am Jesse ne pese da ha baby an pese da chiri baby. Mo ba hotel na bia mo call this country or branch or ha because I think say hotels be okroma say more different branches with different countries. Baby modin but we are na me receipt the chiro aha it will go na nyoma de dawo it will go abenya baby ada free. So I believe Mediama should start winning games in the league as soon as possible.
Sports.
And especially playing against nations. I'm not saying the nations here by the draw say BIF be on move anko but once I say the ball EPL out to be EPL ka say now Burnley bad Burnley also to me betche Mediama me from Mediama to the pedigree of maybe Tottenham Hotspur bia na bibi sa wo EPL mo ba be no. No, what if you need to start getting results? And then from South Africa now, let there be an appetite and the test to play CAF Champions League every season. Now we are stadium now by 2024. And then do another group stage referee man this is what they did able. And also no crowd motivate you my league no more you dem na mo dia man we said next season we will be am CAF Champions League. And that is why I expect Mediama to grow themselves too. And CAF Champions League no so group stage you know I prefer okay man can say me susu yemu a and Mediama Fambra Baba Sports Stadium no more ball. Cape Coast for in time help ball say the city pen no more. And Mediama will need a lot of people to help. In fact, Cape Coast Soka so obo game and how many bet marketing.
Sompa Sports.
Kazo obo game o Cape Coast.
I'm not demeaning the whole community. Me school o Cape Coast.
Or only pharmacy shops or. I mean the game again Aurea. Or 5,000.
Or 5,000 tickets.
5,000 tickets.
You see, it's Kumasi.
No, the Buakeke.
So Kumasi in a larger, much bigger economic environment. Let me use the keyword economic environment because we mean Cape Coast economic environment to Kumasi economic environment.
It's one of the worst regions in Ghana.
Say what I say. It's a hamo. Ubenya Kumasi MP. Ubenya MPs ahodo. Various MPs. Number 2. I was.
Ghana poverty reduction strategy. Research on my yet. Yes. Followed by Northern Vote. Research.
I will see.
Who
remember even on campus. Oko apelsi kamu. Akotocheo. Okay.
Straight to Ajala about.
Ofa akotocheo.
Because
Apples right on campus where you feel there should be residential places here, you know. People are still.
Oh, we only there no credit. We only baby. I mean, me feel no crano. Or more, me swara me no mudi agro. No, I'm crying krumo. I don't call who's a clearly say what movie from one on that. Wow. I say Ponao.
Ponana teaching.
It's a Ponana there. And I was over crowd most near Kofwa. As a omufi baby teachers, they are pushed to omufi baby. I bet now moment chade.
So in Kumasi, ubenya MPs. Ubenya Kumasi Mayor. Ubenya various big business people are. Ombeto Kumasi so de minimum says you thought take it to child. Ombe kwashe wali boya. Ombe jako. Ye che o hade bia obuko.
So I saw back. So someone like most Baka, you have to come.
Sompa Sports.
First of all, I saw back not the team no coach Asasiura. Oh, they are here. Then channel buta intia. Sad decision no crowd will take it. Oh, that's Asasiura we are there. All kind of regional minister, mayor, team no back call just like going to that place. Call on some big businesses for town income. Get the media involved massively or agenda for every match strategy and media for that's it.
Media bet me fail almost the
20,
stadium
if it's 20,000
if they are playing Elali in Kumasi.
Of course.
I can completely see.
That's how much in there you.
So
and I don't quite call bet me
of course.
A bit me ate.
How about you know be able to because you be a ni check.
Is it the reason why I like his solar not a channel and ya brisa fi bi obesoko to Kobo Africa?
Of course.
Because Oshie na boss in a match when I'm that's because you want to take it to the Alabajila, which is good.
And they has to cut off.
And they has the Africa give better and say Preda to go. And Preda to
I was there to
oh, and
design the only wash ya make what to tell it to say it here na part all the allow here let say any share story the kakre
mo ene wow
ya frempre abu anasa say me dia da ho am me dia ma dia dia two of they should come but anasa say me no muntwa so mo dia anasa yes excuse a check. You see, in as much with I felt we went backwards with some of these things. You know? I feel it also gave Ghana the opportunity to rebuild.
Oh, but I go me on say issue no can. You heard it from point no the feedback. To say I come here we juma. Oh no be aba so we be come here we juma na oh ye no. Mani so ntiji we.
Sompa Sports.
Oh yeah, ma referee crap also if no feel say ne carry man crew for a show bebrebe. I think there's a Kenyan referee. No, or your referees now nobody be. No, teacher
young top.
I know or a top. A she obu crew for is one level now. No what do no. No money saying check. Or me who so jina. World Cup no ye day. No di. Afcon no but no. You hear this? I very referee Dennis Dembele.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah.
And the assembly all kind is all like from that. Go on at the all kinds of who's there. Even crowd to say otumbo ni penalty no as a referee akwaja appointment.
Oh yes, I'm make say it set us back akoyachi. It also give us another opportunity to rebuild from the scratch. Asa brabo abo to form.
This all master san.
But no about to form.
Referees no master san.
Oh, na sa abanya na na still order so di referees no. Let's say na still order so job.
Na me che say no omo
so clearly let's assess these particular referees away from this such matters. Almost the sign. So clearly let's assess it differently from that.
Sports.
Say the entina mo muntimi nye. The entina mo muntimi nya. Referees appointment committee what is going on there? More or less in the campaign we didn't have anything to go and do with them again say back of some investigation. There be because koye nkusi we. So it is gone and past. So what is the new way betima fast way betima masa ade ni nyina wo? These are things you are supposed to attend to. And more or less me no I believe your referees in nye there.
Adamawa.
Yeah, apostle that referee. I see the crew for ne sa be seen me. Akomia.
That work up little to alpha.
Like I see the world who say level now na wakwa could do no.
Of course.
At least
I believe say it is even the reason why referees come pull back Roma say be the Ghana national team ball crala.
Yeah, I was on
useless exercise.
That's
useless exercise. Another useless exercise. Infaso bien nisu. Obi ma me faso ba kwa.
Sompa Sports.
Don't clearly say in affect your football.
Infaso bien nisu. Which football nation in this world has done that? Which football nation? Yes, Germany there the scandal is different. Cassiopoli, Italy, the situations are different. Me see, Sebi Asembe and a Wofi Asembe
Asembe and Ifi.
And an answer exposed by a referee saying officially calf matches. I'm saying that if you bell be neba and fan sakaye pa embra. Your referees, apart from Daniel I will not ashamed as a nation. How many years now? Should be Joseph Lamte do here?
Yes.
Joseph Lamte, Daniel, sorry, and Ben Joseph Lamte.
Oh, Lamte,
the level
or the do it.
Yatia Bafemo.
I did it or fem.
Yatia Bafem. NSC and Nas expose. Or expose then. Or expose then. Eddie then buy. As a nation, for me, and Nas expose, I've condemned me from the one say a useless exercise. Because of my understanding experience in football. A useless exercise. If I saw beer and far so beer and Ghana. Today, President you would have been CAF president. Today, you would have been CAF president and your nyam share the best my Ghana. Name for my Ghana benya football put to any amuhi. And as was there no football amuhi. And the mokan there be a sound for Sony. But for us was a cat in the Benya president.
A tree cry.
What do you cry?
Could be near Fanny say. Cynthia said there is a Kojam Dimbis are a FIFA referee man be or Bono baby a trainer also kai this assistant referee no a very good line as by a friend Raman.
Raman yes.
Raman no Sunyani or also the same Omunano Raman no na FIFA for us that for the Bakubi
Pejao.
You are Marco Suyadio
Omu Pejao.
I was Switzerland.
And then you have a lot of such referees. And can be one elite bear 5 or 6.
Sanas expose so cry na national means here that them beam.
I said me na someone expose no mo hu no different. Listen, football dey niema wom. Opo enye ene bresi ene bre ene be sha say football niema wom. Niema be wom forever. Enye
ensisada.
Ehwan ensisa won ifa. Ensisa won ifa. Na ni Saudi Arabia yi mo ka say agro ana. Why not job?
Saudi Arabia.
Why not? Also, expose who you Bema, because Saudi Arabia expose. The one you expose. There be so kwana you will see expose no and one a fun. Because football language mean can say Sebiu. Referees do baby no subanya. My nyomu ma my panishomu and wo. But expose no, and then referees no Monday bono any before expose no difference when I be.
Is that a crane crab?
Yango echi. And in fast what ben sebe u to na mo bia. Obe wie ne say anamoto ne fan for supply bro mine no. What have we done? And then to the extent the referees go buy a match with Ghana almost through. Okay, na bo siama. A ma AFCON no. Okay, the referees no pa move with them.
Me kai pa.
I no go ahead so no go person operation I don't want no cause I'm in Libya operation one enye
obi ahi
why nye ni ye ni achi wa fine na mu ka say world cup na e ko tu si mu ka say agro why am go be vice president go for e no go nyanti woni me go have we call world cup do you know how you won name bi wo ho a e kasa ene anamoto a e ka dwumedi no ho and count a bad thing. Other than Ghana, since you started Bobo Bessienne on 206 and Seneca World Cup. My bizarre question. Other than 206, a dear Ben Yesha say any year 206 and Yako and Yako 210. Only my coin was South Africa or Joe, they couldn't believe what was happening to them. At the time, as Samia J. Pupumias is the Chino did your Joe Koye. And then they see, Mugaza 2-0 moon. Who told you that? A lot of work have to go on. And South Africa, I'm going to near Tuomo. So can go no Judy when Judy a room dada. A Niama and Namotuni Niama be part of what we call operations. A football language account. Ali Yebi. Wak Yebi. Sanders Yebi.
Sompa Sports.
Yebi. But they call be fast why you know. What is here? And Now we can champion with them if you know.
Oh,
Mikai said we're a book time now.
thank you for the way so sweet.
Enjoy your film and so idea. Me can't go see asem so. Send a be a moment to be tea as yes. I never can me can't edia see asem so. Incident is here. And they say, Ojo football museum, I'm going to football museum. I'm the hotel no eswa champion hotel eswa kiti do and na internet in own microphone VIP bus come and see film hey ebe you know now my commissioner no librarian young one of the members of the CAF communication team then until about and say already no ono na the machine yako unti any ye kaza football mo tutu adam kaza ball no sebe agro na yedi so called funny match with Ethiopia, Ethiopia ticket money girlfriend and bra.
I know the machine.
Machine no. Was it
also can you say car be crap off it?
Na say machine manager no.
Dear no near machine.
Na car manager machine.
Oh, okay.
Now Ethiopia, what Ethiopia da?
Ethiopia.
Me bomb pie so be ko Ethiopia be spend be 2 days for Ethiopia. Ethiopia on 5 girls how many on for only obey choose.
Yeah, Ethiopia. Oh, my dear, me no support. I gotta show more because Ethiopia second can be show 5. So I'm supporters in the buy.
Me say man.
Show man
on 5 on to me so obegas opewe usa pe na dan for pewe here. That's how beautiful nyame ayom. Ya ko far for Ethiopia buy. Me boy young man na or Tom phones in the Mercedes ye di ko far no. Buy.
Oh, okay.
Na air cost no. Anna, match commissioner no.
Sompa
me minim dada because of true requisition teach so. Oh Jeff so. Anti air cost na me so that no requisition to Ethiopia. Anti quickly am so no. The way I go for hard dream. My friend president on the and I lost okay. My friend president they didn't call am so we have a small challenge so challenge ben so. Why name match commissioner no so let me speak to you now. So, Your Excellency, sir, press those, sir. Level of influence, press those, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Ewana, my commissioner, no, Efre, or Pogunti and Ofre, the Nigerian delegation, no one will be led by FA, Nipa. No, it's okay. We call them, or young call them. We call them, also, wife and in Yejuma.
I don't call.
Uncle. Wife and in Juma now on the phone. Okay, I've gone. I've checked. Look, I've just checked. I've punched my phone. I know what is wrong. I've checked. It's working very fast. And then restaurant also. Now this hotel is 3-star. This restaurant is okay. Say about the more problem. But me extension. I call reception house. So as Obi or CAF commissioner, we were home several hotels like this. That'll be a standard. And I'm going to argue on film. Any other issue? And I almost said, no. Okay, as a match commissioner of CAF, I've endorsed 3-star hotel. Everything is working. Everything is okay. Okay, so no can't say President President, I'm gone. It's important. My car is coming to pick me. Sec or call and I own him. Say many Oragozian take us on Casa Vieno and no cockshell machine or machine abandons on buy. To be we are not trying to where we now in the course of the match, I got to go place Adam Gui and Masi.
I was on that so one down.
In the course of me, mum wet ya see near my football, why you don't understand.
Oh, okay.
In the course of the game, for our me, George Kennedy Pogunti. Can we conjure a goal? Can we conjure a goal? Not catch a referee. Referee in a beer, but Abua black sheep.
Blah.
Yeah. That my commissioner no what bench or no what time or thought like no afraid. Say betting me a conjure. Go on. So even on the field of play, near my course, what do your supporter? You don't know what even goes on in terms of communication, even on the phone, from technical officials and management people. Master football, you have no idea. If you only involved in certain things, I won't tell you. And Master Obiatia, nah, sure, we are no referee.
Sompa Sports.
What do you buy? Yes, Ismail. Or Sudanese referee.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I said no. Once a Muslim was did say sika one year. Yes, so he brought the $10,000. The referee after.
Then ni mu fifra de ni so di.
But see, yes, he brought it back. The golden tulip. I want to know die. Edwonaka is my witness in this. Yeah. I was there. I went with them after the match.
Wow.
What's that football? The Tiaza Nas Ediesposi.
We are referee na Lali. Who could do a match? Na penny for no mao ebia $100,000 or $200,000. So much ni dini fair. Men ni mo bia dini fair.
No mo dey no matter.
Ah, we was omo no omo eduma na ya na ye nya di ho. Na wo da Eli Bohoma. Eli Bohoma. They said be apostle can no cry.
Sompa Sports.
Quality that time na Egypt you know man so 2006 the baba. Eli hu adin. E do ro Bohoma na referee cry for no this ankobara. O mre because o me aduma quality. Quality no.
Joseph Lamte Bekato say any time Moise Katumbe omo bobo ewo Lubumbashi na TP bo na ye make sure say CAF appoint as referee pe on say we 20 because so much wait me see there.
Hey.
Yes. How's it then?
Wait me see that.
Me see. Oh Moise Katumbe. And after uno na referee ni pa na ye kana sem. Billionaire na after diamond dealer. Samateo referee Joseph Lamte. What is all officiating the game? I'll be welcoming you.
Quality players or more.
Or quality players or cash. I'll be welcoming you. Or the underground wonderful nightclub grounds be. Oh, do fun the mansion now. Who do I want to be? Maybe I do be fat crowd. There be a briefcase in actual. So, like I said, you are welcome. Thank you very much. Everything is okay. Then there are 200 good briefcase. Who beer? Naka tells her who yeah suffer.
Football. Ball dear.
No, I do a big team as in back Ghana. Nine young official on the lead your mo a yenema. That's the level it went to. Yeah, just Atlanta Airport.
I said it now for my serious one.
And so he is an immigration senior immigration officer. He makes sure because of wow.
Oh yeah,
that's how it is. Yeah, Maza. I don't know the Mbabe control. We are going to the no Kotogo. Now referee on the match. Boba be a match later. The master's degree now we are going to get $5,000. Yanko yenim
ondi a match cramble but I head down in the bishia be
I me kan nema we nema munyanti ase ball no mun still munti ase nema work you know $5,000 master's degree program was sending bibia was paid
Sompa Sports
1 year later na downfall ya point na downfall no friends o ni oba no ya madamfo me na kan bibia nti obey adwuma no banzo obey adwuma no come on under 2013 okay yani Morocco
yeah
onim say George Lamptey or the 4-wheel drive car fire referee to Benny by
wow
yani drive car fire referee by
2013
yes
yani Morocco no
before the under 20 qualifiers no see any Uganda Joseph Ocham the boy
yes
and you move any Morocco boy na me knew whether I'll have that video one day. Cause share 4-1 no. Cause share first 2 goals no. In a meeting, myself, where George Free and then George Lamptey and I referees no our Tamale. Saturday a ball under 20 we know Tamale. Obano so President
Sompa Sports.
So no problem. What's the language? So President we know everything. George Lamptey has finished everything. Okay, right. So, okay, how many goals? So 3, 4 for us to qualify. Problem behind on presence, okay, fine. Everything will be sorted in tomorrow morning. But channel no pombe so na bibi adi do mo but that evening so be anya bibi kama beautiful machines no to be a 4 of ni na and machines so based on more request near the by anya open or the mom.
Oh okay.
Yes,
on be a chair the open.
Mat commission no cry yes some man back no police ni ba bi ba o sakatre sentence me ni George Free say movie quite be so we know about no and we did it to get it maybe
give me
maybe
why actually we share kofo Philippa be yet to asu your chra we share why there are premier call the akebia to aso